Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 5. Which is the first state to create the role of Director General of Audit? Options: Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Rajasthan. So before looking into the answer, let's see what is this Director General of Audit post. The Director General of Audit, in short form, it is called as DGA. It is responsible to strengthen and streamline the functioning of internal audit departments. This post of DGA was created to provide independence to internal audit departments. So earlier they were working under the department they had to audit, but now this post was created to provide independence to all the internal audit departments. And at present, this DGA is appointed from the Indian Audit and Account Service on deputation. So coming to the answer for the question, which state has created the role? The answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the first state to create the role of Director General of Audit. And here is another question for you. Who has launched the eCum portal? And here are the options. If you already know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, check out this video that is shown on the screen. That's it for this video, guys. For more such quick knowledge boosting videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali.